Hi everyone. Oh my god, I'm so excited to have you guys back here and I'm happy to be back to be honest. The last year has just been too much for me. I think I've been off for over 12 months now. That's because I've been doing a lot. Trust me, it's been a lot on my neck, having to plan migration and a lot more. But yes, I'm happy to say I'm back now and I'm here to feed you guys with a lot more content now. So today, I'll be showing you guys how I do my feeding cornrows, like feeding of any styles. Really, it's really easy. It's easy and something you can achieve as well. Okay, so usually I do my braids, but now I am on low cut. For some reason, I just got tired of hairdo. I just had to start again from the scratch. So you will not be seeing more of me, but more of my clients on here for a while until I have my hair grown, to an extent where I can begin doing my hair again. And I can't really wait for that, trust me. Yeah, so that's the updates about my hair. So as you guys can see, I am making this beautiful queen's hair, and she's requested cornrows, the smaller size. I think it was bum length. Yeah. So what I did was parted the hair, from the center. Sorry, I couldn't record from the scratch because I think I was carried away. But when I realized, oh my god, I need to make some content, I was like, okay. So I'd already gone halfway. I'm sorry guys, but yes, I hope you guys can get something from the remaining video. So I subscribe to Shine and Jam Gel for clearer parts, and that's what I'm doing. I'm using my rat comb. People call it rat comb. Some people call it what's this thing again? Is it precision comb? Yeah, precision comb. Basically, just to make your parts clearer and cleaner. You get what I mean? So as you can see, I began my cornrows, and I usually begin with the hair because it is one of the protective styles, right? When you begin with the hair, the chances of the hair breaking is really slim, guys. And trust me, if you begin with the hair, it just looks very natural. Like, people barely even know if you added any extensions. They just believe, oh, maybe they added extensions at the bottom of the braids, and which is not so. Look at it now. We began with extensions from scratch, but who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? So that is it. Then as I went through, because her hair was actually due, it wasn't relaxed, trust me. So of course I had to struggle, but it was okay because I'm already used to braiding natural hair. So I just felt, oh, this was one of those kinds. So for the tip of her hair, I had to use the Shine and Jam to just make it slick through, so it can give you that very nice, neat what's it called now, outlook. Yep. And so we went on and on, braiding down to the tip of her hair. Then I added like a chunky size of extensions, at the end of the tip, so that the what's it called now, the ends of the braids can be relatively thick and nice. Yeah. So we started with smaller size of the extensions. Then as we went on and on, we just kept adding to make it look nice. And since she wanted something longer, so it just made sense that we had the beginning part thick and the tip of the braids slim. Okay guys, so I think we're about halfway done, and all I did was complete the braids. Then I finished the tips later, okay, because it's just fast for me, you know. When I have like the cornrows done, then I go back to the ends of the braids later. It just makes the whole work easy for me. So I hope you stay tuned, you enjoy the video, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And of course, follow on Instagram, because I have loads of content on Instagram, especially my reels as well. So you can pick one or two if you are a braider or you do DIYs, you know, you're like self-taught. So just feel free to follow me on Instagram. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you like this. Stay tuned because more content will be uploaded on here. I love you guys. See you next in my other videos. Bye.